Welcome back to Investing with Ro, and today let's just jump into the cryptocurrency prices, cryptocurrency market, and to be quite honest, it's not looking all that great, but they say when there's blood on the streets, you need to buy, and we'll look at the fear and greed index. We'll also maybe look at the rainbow chart and some Bitcoin technical analysis. Please, just a disclaimer, it's not financial advice, only for information purposes and for your education. Please, however, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and comment down below what you feel, how do you feel about the entire crypto market at this moment. I mean, to be quite honest, for the past couple of months, Bitcoin's just been boring. I mean, we haven't actually seen a lot of price action. We've seen some fake outs and we get all happy, but I mean, yeah, let's jump into it. So you can see here that the overall crypto market cap's down to 1.86 trillion. I mean, 2 days ago it was just over 2 trillion. So yeah, cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and you can see that it's dumped almost 200 million in literally like 2-3 days. So yeah, it's not for the faint-hearted, but yeah, you see Bitcoin down 12.55% over the 7-day period. Ethereum as well, 12.31%. You know, when it's a bit of a red week and so on, I think it's a good time to buy. My strategy is definitely to dollar cost average into some of these projects that I'm invested in. Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, they're all down quite significantly. I'll wait for them to come down quite a bit more, and also scoop up some Terra Luna as well. If you can look at some Polygon Matic, also down 12.3%, Chainlink down 18.17%, so down quite significantly. I mean, if these are stock figures, New York Stock Exchange figures, people would probably say that we're going to a crash now, but this is the name of the game, and this is crypto. So yeah, Decentraland 17% down, Filecoin 26% down, ApeCoin 4%, still hovering around about that $10-11 where it's been stabilizing. Sandbox and Theta down 18 and 19%. All these projects I'm invested in, so my entire portfolio is down at the moment, but I'm not too concerned. I think that, you know, a market correction is good, is healthy, and I think that we'll definitely bounce back from this. If you, when in doubt, zoom out. You know, the entire market, the cryptocurrency market is still so young. We're in an uptrend at the moment. If you look at the weekly candle, you can clearly see we're still in the uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. This line here is absolutely crucial. I mean, we cannot break this line. So in my previous video, I spoke about this W pattern that we formed here, and it actually excited me a bit, you know, because the W pattern is a bit bullish. Bullish, yes. We formed this W pattern here, and we broke out. We retested support, and we just couldn't hold the support, and we broke down. So in my opinion, I think this was then a fake out of this ascending triangle right here, and it's very crucial that we hold this level of support here, which you can see has been support here, support there, support there, and it's probably going to become support there. I did, however, say that also that if we broke out of here, retested the support and confirmed the support, our price target would have been probably around about 55,000 US dollars. You can clearly see here 54,000 US dollars. But we didn't. So now what are we looking at now? So let's go to the daily chart. So you can clearly see that we broke down, we formed this ascending triangle, we broke out, and we couldn't hold support there. So what is very crucial is that we cannot break this line here, and this line is sitting at around about the, let's say, the 39,000 US dollar range, which it will be support. It's very crucial that we hold that. We might consolidate a bit more into this ascending triangle closer to the apex, and hopefully we break out, which will, whenever we break out, then I mean we'll still probably aim for that 55,000 US dollar range. If we break down here, I mean we're looking at a price range of about 29,000 US dollars in my opinion. You can clearly see that also the 29,000 US dollars is quite significant support there. I mean, it was support here, support there, and if we break down here, I'm not saying we are going to break down, but if we cannot hold this line right here, maybe if we come down, we retest it, we go up, you know, that will be quite a good sign still. Hopefully we'll go up, break through this resistance, and finally turn this resistance into support and start a new bull season. I want to, if we can break this level of 48,000 US dollars, then the new bull season is on its way. That will be the start of the new bull season, and that's when we're gonna make some serious gains. However, if we cannot hold this line right here, which is a very important line right here, this line right here, probably gonna break down to about the 29,000 US dollar range, and yeah, that's not what we want to see. But my strategy going forward is, because we're in a downtrend, I'm going to scoop up Bitcoin, I'm going to scoop up Ethereum, I'm going to try and dollar cost average into my other investments such as Sandbox, such as Decentraland, Filecoin, Cardano, Solana, Terra Luna, Avalanche. I'm just gonna try and scoop up as much as possible. I want to buy when there's blood on the streets. I want to buy other people's fear, and I want to sell other people's greed. We'll look at the fear and greed index now. But yeah, just a recap. If we can turn this line here into solid support and don't break past this, and go towards the upside again and break through this resistance level here, like we did here, but in this case now, confirming the support, will have that pattern up towards the 48,000 and then the 54,000 US dollars. If we break this line right here, there's a good chance that obviously we'll have some good support there at that levels right there. We'll reach some support levels right there, and then our final level of support will be right here. So our levels of support will be at the 39 to 37,000 US dollars. Then we'll look at the 34 to 35,000 US dollars, and then the 30,000 US dollars will be our next level of support. So those three layers of support is crucial. So my game plan is just dollar cost average. So if we confirm this level of support, I'll buy at that level. If we break down, I'll buy at the 35,000 US dollars level, and I'll buy at the 30,000 US dollar level. If we do confirm this support level right here and we don't break past it, go up, I'm just gonna ride the waves, and then I'll go full on bull mode when we pass the 48,000 US dollars as final confirmation. So yeah, I know it's not looking all that great, but we just gotta hang in there. Like I said, we need to buy when there's blood on the streets. Let me just get the fear and greed index here for you quickly, and we can look at the rainbow chart as well. So the rainbow chart, according to the rainbow chart, Bitcoin still cheap. You can see here if you scroll in, it's touching on that block there, or that portion there, that is the accumulate portion. So that's my plan, just to accumulate as I go, buy Bitcoin where I can, dollar cost averaging into my other projects, and it will go up, it will get better, and I'll just weather the storm a bit and ride the wave. Also, fear and greed, you can see here that we went into extreme fear. We are in extreme fear now, and the price is still 40,000 US dollars. So, I mean, this just tells you that if we move over to extreme greed, what the price is going to be. Then we're looking at that 70,000, 80,000 US dollar range. So, yeah, so here's my signal: extreme fear, buy, invest where you can. You can see here the rainbow chart also looking as if it's moving towards the accumulate side of things. And also the entire cryptocurrency market is in a downtrend at the moment. We are, like I said, we are reaching this level of support here. We must just hope that we don't break past that. I'll scoop up some Bitcoin here. If we break past it, I'll scoop up some at the 35 to 37,000 US dollars. And then if we cannot hold that, I'll scoop up some here. I do not believe we'll go lower than the 30,000 US dollars. I mean, that's where the Michael Saylors of the world, the Elon Musks of the world, bought heavily into Bitcoin, as well as the Terra Luna, the whole project, and Do Kwon, the CEO. They scooped up a lot of Bitcoin in this 40,000 to 45,000 US dollar range. So I honestly believe that in the short term, things aren't looking too great, no, but we are in the long term still in an uptrend. I do think that I believe that we are going to turn this line into support. We will confirm the support here, and we're eventually gonna break out of this. If you look at how long is this consolidation period now, a year already. I mean, this has been from January up until today, which is basically, that's 3 months right there. 3 months right here. We went from May up until July, just over 2 months. So this consolidation phase right here is more or less the same length as this phase. We are due for an uptrend. I mean, we've just been on a downtrend since November last year. If you can see here, from April till the bottom here is July, which is about just over 3 months. Here we are November up until now. I mean, that's 4 months, 5 months right there. We are due for a uptrend at this stage. So yeah, just keep an eye on it. When in doubt, zoom out, and yeah, so we'll see what happens in the coming weeks. I still think it's going to be exciting. I do think that there's some significant price action going to happen soon. Volatility. Just don't FOMO into a project. Don't fear out of a project. And yeah, cheers guys.